Ding ding. Guess what day it is?
No, not your dentist appointment. It's National Waffle Day. Yes, it's a real holiday. And no, you don't need syrup on everything to celebrate. But it helps. So, why do we celebrate waffles today of all days? Let's take a bite out of history. On August 24, 1869, a man named Cornelius Swartwout received a patent for the first US waffle iron. Yeah. That's the day the waffle officially got an upgrade. Before that, people were already eating waffles, sure. But Cornelius made them crispy, efficient, and perfect for Sunday brunch. So now, every year on this date, we celebrate the greatness of the grid. The word waffle comes from the Dutch word wafel, meaning, well, waffle. It traveled from Europe, got cozy in America, and eventually became the fluffy food we all know and secretly eat for dinner. Waffles are basically a global celebrity. Belgian waffles, thick, airy, and basically dessert. American waffles, thinner, crispier, often topped with fried chicken. Swedish waffles, heart-shaped. Hong Kong-style waffles, bubble-shaped and stuffed with ice cream. No matter how you serve them, sweet, savory, or piled with berries, waffles are pure joy in a crisscrossed pattern. Now you might be thinking, wait, is this one of those made-up food holidays? Fair question. But National Waffle Day actually has a historic origin, not just an excuse to eat breakfast twice in one day. So how do you celebrate? Make waffles from scratch, visit your favorite breakfast spot, try a new twist, waffle tacos, anyone, or just post a photo and tag it #National Waffle Day like a proud foodie. Deeper thought alert. Waffles are a great reminder that life's better with a little structure and sweetness. They're crispy on the outside, soft on the inside, kind of like most people, right? So whether you're a classic butter and syrup fan, or a let's put fried chicken and hot sauce on this bad boy adventure, take a moment today to celebrate the golden, griddled glory of waffles, because they deserve it, and frankly, so do you.
Go ahead. Make it a double stack day. See you next time with my next videos.